Hello, I'm Adam. I work in a bank. I like my job. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Then I get dressed and brush my teeth. I don't have breakfast. At 8 o'clock, I drive to work. I have lunch in my office at 1 p.m. Sometimes I have a coffee with my boss in the afternoon. From Monday to Thursday, I finish work at 5 p.m. But on Fridays, I finish at 3. In the evenings, I clean the house and have dinner with my family. I have a shower before I go to bed. On Saturdays, my wife and I do the shopping, and on Sundays, we watch our children play football.